How you doing, sir?
Good.
Any alcohol today?
I don't answer questions.
I'm
I
sorry?
appreciate it, but I don't answer questions.
Don't answer any questions?
No.
All right, no alcohol at all?
I don't answer questions.
All right, it's a checkpoint, so that's why we're just trying to make sure people are safe.
I don't answer questions. I appreciate that you guys are here doing your job, but I don't answer questions.
All right, not a problem. I appreciate it.
All right.
Good, you're free to go.
Thanks.
Sir, you want to come through?
What happened here?
Welcome back. We have an exclusive video you won't see anywhere else. This guy reached out to us in an email. He doesn't have a channel, but he wanted us to see what happens when a man gets tired of the tyranny that is happening in this country. He goes through the checkpoint not once, but twice. The first time, it's a simple, I don't answer questions. The second time, he lets them have it. Make sure you subscribe to my buddy SJVT's channel. He really goes out of his way to help other channels grow. Let's get right to the video, folks.
Round two. Good, how are you? What's up, buddy?
How's it going?
Good. What's up?
Can you roll down your window for a little bit, please?
No, I'm good. I'm good.
Huh?
I'm good.
Okay.
Thanks.
Where you coming from today?
I don't answer questions.
You don't answer any questions?
No.
Okay. Have you been drinking tonight at all?
I don't answer questions.
No?
Nope.
Okay. All right. Well, then I guess you're all set, sir. Thank you.
Do you know you guys don't have any signage set up to let people?
We have a signage set up, and it was also posted on the internet as well.
But not everybody goes on the internet. But as you go over the bridge, no signage. No way out.
Signs right there, and then also some cones over there as well.
But that's at the stop. You're not warning anybody coming over, which is illegal. There should be signs both sides.
So this is completely constitutional.
Oh no, I know it's constitutional, but there's certain rules that you have to follow to make it work.
Okay, and we did place signs out there, and we also did put the warnings online as well.
But not everybody goes online.
Not everybody
goes online.
I'm sorry?
Not everybody goes online.
Well, that's one of our outlets that we use to warn about this.
I understand,
we did make it public information.
but you guys should do a better job with the signage. And yeah, absolutely.
We'll definitely take that in consideration next time.
Yeah.
But as well, like I said, we do have some signage out here as well.
Yeah, but that's at the stop. You should have it at the top of the hill and back there before the bridge.
Well, that's
to let
determined
people
by our traffic unit, and our traffic unit.
Well, they fucked up. They fucked up.
People to turn out of the line.
No, there isn't.
Yeah, you could turn into the highway or
no, because once you get
Cemetery Road back
once
there,
you get past what's that business right there? The Napa?
Napa?
Yeah, right there on that corner. You get past that intersection, and you're in this line, and you don't see this sign until you get here, and you have no way out.
Okay. We'll pass that along to the
yeah, you have no way out. Yeah, I will. And I got it recorded, so I'm gonna send it in, and
understood.
We'll get it straightened out.
All right.
But yeah, this is fucked up.
Talk to the traffic supervisor yourself?
No, I'll just send this out. That's all right.
You could
I'll just
nip it right in the bud right now if you wanted to.
No, we'll put it on the news. We'll do everything. We'll do whatever we got to do. We'll make it happen.
Sure.
All right.
Well, you're free to go.
Have a good one.
Thank you.
Here they come.